You're welcome to Fxpg Global Limited. Today is 27th of September 2022, and we're going straight to our daily market analysis. Now, this was what we analyzed yesterday. We anticipated that there should be a stop hunt to the upside. This is dollar index. So we want to see a stop hunt above this level, which was the close of last week. So we got the stop hunt. All right. Then after this stop hunt, I'll be expecting to see a kind of a shift candle to the downside that also have an FVG. All right. So what I want to see is I want to see this market give me a break, something like this, then trade into it. Then I will know that the reversal is ready. But if it doesn't give me something like that, then I will not be taking a reversal on this. This is actually what I want to see on this pair. This is what I want to see on this pair. So once I'm able to see something like this, then I go with this. But if I see something like this again, right, when it trade into this and I see it break above this level, then I will see change my bias. So that is what I will do here. So I will be watching this market until I see it break this level. To trade into it, then I will take my trade to the downside. That is so my bias for this week is still remaining bearish for dollar as against dollar index. That is what I will be expecting this particular week, and I want to see this week as a reversal week anyway. So I won't be taking trade that will keep moving, because when market is going up, it will get a level that it will need to break. It needs to break down at least 50%. So I won't continue movement to the upside for now. I will keep watching for a setup to take trade to the opposite side. The EURUSD. Actually, I can remember yesterday we anticipated that there will be this move. It pushed into this fair value gap here, then flushed down. This was what we expected. So the market kept going down. We came and tapped into this daily fair value gap, and it's supposed to go to the upside after entering this fair value gap, which also give us indication that this market is likely to reach back from here. So we'll have a lot of impulsive movement on this pair. So we want to see a retracement. Is that retracement that I'm looking for to trade, and that is why I'm still waiting for my setup to unveil before I take any trade on this pair. So what I'm still waiting to see here is, like I said, it has gone to the upside. I'm taking out this. So what I still want to see here is this. I still want to see these guys do this. So because of this level is actually level 3, all right, we'll have level 1 push, consolidation, level 2 push, consolidation, then level 3. I want to see them complete. The cycle is complete already and it has entered this level, so I want to see them trade to the other side. So that is what I really want to see. That's what I really want to see. But then, as it stands, I will be taking trade until when I see these guys break a structure to the upside. All right, because even if they do this, I would like to see this now happen. This upside trade into this fair value gap we'll have here, then come back to the downside. Possibly either it's a fair value gap, trade into it, and then go to the upside. So I will be expecting to see something like this happen. Something like this happen. Is what I will be expecting. And if I see them trade into this fair value gap and then come back again here, that would be an amazing one. So I'll be looking forward to scratch in here. But I would like to see something that indicates a stop hunt. All right. So whichever side, especially towards the downside, that will be taking trade to the upside. So once that happens, I'll be so happy and I will take a trade. Good. And let's go up. The next one is GBPUSD. GBPUSD moved well yesterday. It gave the same stop hunt to downside. All right, taking away the liquidity, then created this particular fair value gap. All right, now that was after it has traded into this fair value gap. It came back and traded into this fair value gap. So we want to see them continue the movement to the upside, break back. So we'll have this. I still want to see a push to this level and a pullback. The push. This is what I'm expecting here. Right? And also here, we should not forget we'll have another block there. Depending on the momentum the market gets here with, I will know what to expect of this market. So I will still be expecting this market to go to the upside. AUDUSD, sorry, gold. Gold will have, this was what we projected. As you can see, this low is already taken out and it's trading into this further with that. So I would like to see something like this happen as it's trading to this. Take away this level, create another one, trade into it, and go to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. Then the next one, we'll have AUDUSD. We'll have the same movement, just like we say we're expecting. Let's taking it out. So we'll have this low here now. After this, I would like to see an impulsive movement up to the upside. Something like this to the upside. Let me take this out. I like to see something like this to the upside. Trade into there. Come in. Right. I'm expecting a wave back to the upside, a corrective wave. That is what I'm expecting here. USDCAD. Now, USDCAD took away this unmitigated weekly OB. Now, let's go to weekly. Let's go to weekly and see where the market is. This unmitigated level. So they are working with this level. Now, if you watch, we'll have fair value gap in here. So we'll have fair value gap in here. So I'll be taking out this level. Good. Market has come into the fair value gap, as you can see. So that will tell you that the market need to pull back. Now we're going back to our 4 hours. So what I'll be expecting here is this. Let me go back to lower time frame and look if we have a good. I have a gap there too. So we're looking for to short this market here. As I enter this FVG, I look for to short this market down. This is what I'm expecting from this pair. Right? So I'm going to the next one, which is USDCHF. USDCHF is being good. So we anticipate that this high here, this level need to be taken out. So as you can see, that's what we analyze and are taking it out. Then after which they continued going up to this level. They got mitigated by the particular order block. So I'll be looking forward to see a push to the downside. So I'll go down with them. I'll wait to see a push to the downside. So I'll go down with them. This has been done already. So this is what I'll be expecting, a push to the downside. I'm not going to be looking for to buy this pair. I'll be looking for to sell this pair. Then another one is NZDUSD. NZDUSD, as you can see, guys, we anticipated the particular move to the downside. I wanted them to take away this level here, all right, to at least get mitigated here. So they've mitigated this level here with this particular push here. Good. This also tells us that the market is good to go to the upside. And that is what we're expecting now is as they trade into this particular, when they trade into this particular fair value gap, they've not entered this fair value gap. When they trade into this fair value gap, I would like a push to the upside, then little down. This is what I'm expecting from this market. So this is what I'm expecting from this market. We go to lower time frame. This is another block already. So going straight to the next one, which is Nasdaq. So we anticipated a particular move. All right, the market gave that to us. So I'm going to back to 4 hours. So we said market will come into this fair value gap here, and go down. So market got to this fair value gap and got down here. So we actually expected to see them flush this low, but they've not given us that flush below this low. Let's go to lower time frame and see what we're looking at. Because in Nasdaq, I still want them to stop hunt down before I'll begin taking the bias to the upside. This is what we'll have. This is the low. All right. So I would like to see them stop hunt down. So I move by what the high time frame is saying, not by what low time is saying. So I have liquidities here. In this level here. Market has actually entered this fair value gap here. So I want them to go to downside. Take out this low. then come back for the push of the upside. This is what I'm expecting from this pair. Another one is US30. US30, yes, we'll have this low. Nice one. We'll have the low. The low has been taken out. This is a nice one. So what we expect to see in US30 is a move to the upside now. That's really into this fair value gap, right? Just entered already. So we want to see a push to the upside. So I'll be bullish on US30. And USDJPY, it has gotten to this level. Right? So we really want to see them come down. But then what we're expecting to see here is this, because we'll have a block here, major block here. So I'll be expecting to see them do this in worst case scenario. Back to this OB, trade into this FVG, then go to upside. To this level, then begin to come down. This is what I'll be expecting. So let me draw it properly. For reference purpose, I would like to see them do this, trade into this, take away this high, all right, and get mitigated by this other block. Then I will start looking for the push to the downside. That is what I'm expecting from this pair, seriously. All right, so once I get this, I will gladly take the trade. So I'm waiting for the market to tell me what to do. Right, they are actually at the breaker block right now, but I'm not seeing them coming this down. I want to see this high now taken out. This level here taken out. And they go here from here, they begin to start go to the downside. That is what I'm expecting from this pair. And otherwise, GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we anticipated a stop hunt, but not this far. So it went down too far and began to go back up again. So what am I expecting from this pair? Going back to my 4 hours. So we'll have this. It has traded into FVG. It could not go down because there's an FVG here. Entered into this FVG, what we expect to the upside. So I will say bullish on this. Bullish on this for now. But for today, I'll be expecting it to do this for me. This is where we'll draw the cutting for today's analysis. Always make sure you keep your trade simple and you trade in line with the trend of the market. And especially if you're scalping scalp in line with 4 hours break. All right. And also make sure you don't trade without stop loss. Make sure you don't add to a negative trade. Make sure you don't over leverage your account. And also make sure you use good risk management. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful day. I remain Godwin Emmanuel.